believe in helping each other. I started about a year ago, and what happened is I had no clue what I was doing. I was very successful and documented. I'm an author. I have a Highline car service. I'm in a great neighborhood. I have a women's ministry. But I was messed up in the head. So, and I will go over that some other time, but my testimony was I wanted to do this women's ministry. And I just had it in my spirit, took leadership with Pastor Dowler for about a year and a half, and I started this ministry. And I met Regina Bell. She told me about this business. I said, well, if it's only that little, I can't really make a lot of money from it. Because I was used to starting businesses where I needed credit lines, very well business partners, a whole bunch of cash. And when they told me about this, I said no. But I had another business coaching churches, teaching them streams of income. And this other pastor told me about it. And I said, okay, it's coming to me twice. Then my son brought it to me. And I said, okay, I'm going to do it. Right. Then when I got started, I had to outthink, forget about all the stuff I learned on how to run a business and learn this system. And the great thing that happened is I took a, and I had no